হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি সকলেই ভালো আছেন। আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগতম জানাই আমার আরও একটি নতুন ভিডিওতে। So viewers, our today's topic is what to include in your startup data room. So we don't wanna be late, so let's start our today's video. What to include in your startup data room. Figuring out what should be included in a virtual data room for startups can be challenging. Include too little and investors won't be equipped with the information they require. Include too much and investors may become overwhelmed with data. Here is a list of information that you might want to include in your startup data room. Company documentation. Board of Directors materials, board consist and actions, board meeting minutes, branding guidelines, competitive analytics, customer contracts, first refusal co-selling agreements, investor rights agreement, investor updates, legal disputes past and present, market research, marketing materials, office lease, one-page business plan, partnership agreements, pitch deck, listed articles of incorporation, sales process, shareholders agreements, voting agreements. Employee documentation and employee contracts past and present including titles and salaries, all intern contracts past and present, all consultant contract past and present, list of employees job titles and salaries. Investors would benefit from seeing the vision for the team the startup is in the process for building, giving investors an insight into the hiring process and company culture by including onboarding documents can also strengthen the fundraising process. Financial documentation. Audited accounts, asset register, capitalization table, details of previous raises, financial projection, management announces, profit and loss statements, pro forma statements for the next year. Intellectual property. Domain name ownership, granted and failed partnership, list of open source software, IP strategy, software license detail, trademarks, technology, API documentation, detail of any large integration, product backlog, export and release map, screenshot of existing product system architecture diagram. Including in-depth information is an excellent starting point of the investor, as it demonstrates that the startup is transparent and trustworthy. Invest in your startup future with DFIN. Securing funding as a startup is as crucial as every piece of information that is shared with investors. Upon first impression, a startup may initially look like a worthwhile investment. It is only when investors dig deeper that uncover the information they need to make an informed decision. For startups to put their best foot forward, all company data should be organized and structured in a secure video to ensure the due diligence process runs smoothly. Venue is an award-winning virtual data room trusted worldwide by investors and Silicon Valley startups. সো ভিউয়ার্স, আশা করি ভিডিওটি আপনার ভালো লেগেছে। ভিডিওটি যদি আপনার কাছে ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে আপনার ভিডিওতে লাইক দিয়ে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে চ্যানেলের সাথে থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য।